Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll tap into our breath, gently meeting our thoughts and distractions as we learn to quiet the mind. Find a quiet place to sit, free from external distractions. Root down through your sitting bones and let your spine lengthen up through the crown of your head. As you sit up tall, relax your shoulders and arms and find a comfortable place to rest your hands in your lap. And if you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Now, take a moment to settle in. Release the muscles in your face, softening your jaw, your lips. Relax your forehead and temples. Release tension around your eyes and eyelids. And dropping into your body, notice if you're holding or gripping anywhere. Relax your belly, your back, your chest, and your neck. And as you scan through your body from your feet to your head, meet whatever tension you encounter with the intention of letting go and softening. Now, find your breath. Easy, natural inhales and exhales. And relaxing your belly fully, let it expand gently as you breathe in. And let your belly relax as you breathe out. Soft belly with each breath. Whenever you notice your mind wandering into thoughts or stories, gently guide your attention back to your belly breathing. No judgments, no labels. With acceptance and compassion, give yourself permission to start again. Draw yourself back to your breath, moving in and out. Stay present with your breath, remaining aware of each inhale and exhale. And at the same time, drop deeper into your body. Bring your attention to your extremities, feeling into your hands and feet. Notice any sensations there. Notice the temperature of your fingers and toes. Belly stays soft and relaxed as you breathe in and out. And moving your attention now to your arms and legs. Feel into your limbs, noticing sensations, temperature. And now, moving closer to the center of your body. No right or wrong, just observing sensations in your torso, your chest, your belly. Just make room for whatever you feel here. No need to overthink this or to analyze what arises. Just stay with your fluid breath, feeling into your body. Watch how the sensations change over time. As you breathe in and out, let your body relax deeper and deeper. Without forcing this release, bring gentle awareness to any place you feel tension or tightness and soften there. Now, let your awareness widen. Our minds are built to think. When we sit down to work through a problem with a clear head, we can emerge with new ideas and insights. Introspection and dedicated thinking time can be enriching and important for our personal growth. The problem arises when we get stuck in our heads and lost in our stories. And here's the thing, we often don't even realize that we're overthinking. If we're not paying attention, we can easily get lost in a vicious cycle of critical thought, building stories in our heads rather than being present and rooted in reality. And rather than producing awareness and solutions, this rumination most often leaves us feeling lost and full of doubt. You see, the problem isn't thinking. The problem is the stories we weave around our thoughts. But the more we practice meditation, the more we learn to catch ourselves when we're lost in thought. Though we can't stop our minds from thinking, we can train ourselves to stop the deluge of unhelpful and unnecessary thoughts by calling our attention back to the present moment. So the next time you catch yourself overthinking, hit the reset button. Make a conscious choice to stop the stream of thought, return to the present moment, and tackle the issue once more with a clearer head and a more conscious approach. Now gently draw your awareness back into the room around you. Take a deep breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.